Hi guys! Good morning! This is me again, Shay, and yes, welcome back to my channel. This is the day, my special day. Yes guys, this is actually my birthday today and ang bilis. Sobrang bilis ng taon. I hope you guys are okay. Wala naman ako masyadong ganap during my ngayong birthday. But I just wanted to film this video to share with you kung ano yung mga something na I am really thankful and I'm really grateful for, especially ngayon na dumating na yung special day ko, yung aking birthday. So, today guys, yes, I woke up na ganon, simple lang. So, ganon lang talaga akong gumising sa umaga. Normally, magulo talaga yung buhok ko. Normally, syempre, ganon naman talaga, di ba, kapag gumigising ka. Normally, magtitimpla ng kape. Normally, uupo, gagawin yung mga task na kailangan kong gawin online. But normally, guys, I'm really starting my day with, I really wanted to start my day super grateful, super thankful, and super blessed. And I want to start my day with my spiritual aspect of my life. So, normally nakakatulong talaga sa akin is to do a very quick meditation. So, yung meditation na ginagawa ko guys is 10 minutes meditation nga, which is tahimik lang talaga ako habang kasama ko yung aking favorite coffee na black coffee and kasama ko yung aking favorite na pinapakinggang prayer. May mga pinapakinggan akong iba pero yun lang din naman talaga ito yung favorite kong gusto kong pakinggan. I wanted to share with you guys of that soon. Pero ayun, that's how I just started my day today. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo. So first thing guys, sobrang daming challenges na kinakaharap ko, especially when I started to be a solo entrepreneur, a solo content creator, mga 2 years ago na naging full-time ako. Sobrang daming challenges, sobrang daming reason for me to give up. Pero, super thankful kasi I'm still here. And, super grateful kasi nandito pa rin ako filming with you guys and super grateful kasi nandyan pa rin kayo. Pinipilit kong hindi maiyak for today's video, no? So, yun na nga guys, since this is actually my birthday, I just wanted to share the things that I am grateful for na nasa fresh sa head ko lang talaga. So first, syempre, I always thank the Lord that He's giving me life, na ginigising niya ako sa bawat araw, na binibigyan niya ako ng pagkakataon to fulfill my dreams, to reach my goal, to do the things I really love doing, especially filming these videos, sharing more tips with you guys. Sobrang thankful kasi ginigising niya pa rin ako at binibigyan niya ako ng pagkakataon para gawin yung purpose ko, para gawin yung lahat ng mga bagay na gusto ko. So, thank you so much Lord for waking me up every day and giving me a chance to start a new day, not just for myself, but for my family and for all of the people around me, sa mga naniniwala man o hindi, para sa akin. Number 2 is, I'm so grateful to have all of the basic things that we need. Wala kami nung lahat ng mga magagarbong mga bagay, yung aking dream na red car, yung aking dream na house na sana magkakasama kami one day ng buong family. Wala pa kami noon. Wala kami ng mga mamahaling mga bagay na sana yung madalas na gusto ng iba. But we have all the basic things we need. We have the house, we have the water, may electricity, may pagkain, may mga basic needs na ginagamit sa araw-araw. And alam niyo naman, 'di ba, na more on basic lang talaga. Sobrang happy na ng SJ ninyo. Ayoko ng mga mahihirap na bagay. Gusto ko basic lang. Gusto ko simpleng buhay. Gusto ko simple lang yung mga bagay-bagay. So, kaya madalas gusto ko basic lang talaga. So, thank you so much, Lord, sa mga basic things. Hindi man magarbo, hindi man ganun kadami, pero sobrang thank you kasi pinoprovide nyo pa rin yan sa akin and sa family ko. Number 3 that I am grateful for today, guys, is waking up knowing I have all of the people around me. So, mga tao na mahal talaga ako, mga tao na hindi. So, maraming mga tao na dumaan sa life ko na dumating, nawala, iniwan ako, tinalikuran ako, minahal ako nung una, pero iniwan din ako. But I'm so grateful, guys, because I know my people right now. First, syempre, I have my mom. Parents are not perfect, but I have my mom, and sobrang grateful na nandyan siya kahit na minsan may mga hindi pagkakaintindihan, pero sobrang mahal na mahal ko yung mother ko, guys. Number 2, I have my partner na minsan enemy ko din sa halos araw-araw, but I am so grateful because kahit hindi din kami perfect araw-araw, but he's always been there for me. Kahit na hindi pa namin nare-reach yung mga dreams namin, hindi pa niya nabibigay din sa akin yung mga gusto ko, yung mga pangarap namin. But I appreciate him so much. Kahit sa simpleng bagay na pinapakinggan niya ako. So, super thankful to have a partner like you, Daddy. Thank you so much. And next, syempre, I'm so grateful to have my pretty little kid na aking little Junakis na minsan super duper pasaway, super duper makulit, super duper kung anong daming gustong gawin. Pero, you know, guys, being a Ticos fighter like me, sobrang blessed that Lord gave me a chance to be a mom. Every day, sobrang blessed ako na binigyan ako ng chance ni Lord na maging mom, because I have learned so much na ganun pala yung maging mommy, no? So, that's why I appreciate din na may mom na yung mga pinagdadaanan ng mga mommy is ganun pala. So, thank you so much for a loving son, kahit hindi man din siya perfect, sa sobrang dami pa rin niya rin niyang kailangan matutunan, pero I'll always be here for you, and I love you so much. Next thing is, for the people, guys, is knowing lahat ng mga totoong tao sa paligid ko. So, may mga umalis, may mga iniwan, may mga tinalikuran ako. But, I'm so grateful. I have a friend, a very long time friend na parang sister ko na din. Ayan, may mga kaibigan naman ako ganyan. And I have my other new friends na habang tumatagal, sobrang, alam niyo yun, nagiging strong din yung bond namin. And I'm so grateful lang talaga to have the people na pinaparamdam sa akin ngayon how special I am. Kahit na, syempre, hindi naman talaga tayo perfect. Sobrang grateful ako. I have those people who surprise me during before my birthday, my momshi friends. Thank you for loving me and loving my family, especially my Maxi. Thank you so much for making me feel so special, and parang i-feel na rin ako na parang sister nyo na din, because I also feel the same. I love you guys. Thank you so much sa pa-surprise party and pa-surprise gift and everything, sa lahat ng effort. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for all of the people na naniniwala sa akin araw-araw. To all of my followers, to all of my subscribers, thank you. Syempre, sa mga hindi naniniwala, because it serves me as a challenge to do better every day. But for all of the people na naniniwala sa akin, na nag-cheer up sa akin, na pinupush ako araw-araw, sobrang thankful. And doon talaga ako nakafocus ngayon, guys. Hayaan na natin yung mga tao na ayaw tayong paniwalaan, ayaw tayong tulungan, ayaw tayong suportahan. Let's focus on those people who has been there for us since day one or more. And let's just pray for the people na talagang, alam niyo yun, parang wala namang pakialam sa atin, or hindi tayo gusto, okay lang yan. Let's just move on. Sobrang grateful talaga ako because marami pa ding tao na kailangan ko palang i-focus, and marami talaga akong blessings na gusto kong i-focus. And next, after the people, guys, that I am grateful for is, I am so grateful for the opportunity coming in this year. You know what, guys? Sobrang hirap mag-start ng dream mo na ikaw lang talaga yung naniniwala. But in reality, guys, yun naman talaga. Ikaw talaga yung unang-unang maniniwala. I just realized na ikaw talaga yung unang-unang maniniwala sa dream mo. So yes, it's going to be hard at first. And parang hindi mo alam saan ba ako papunta. Araw-araw mo yung mararamdaman. Hindi mo alam paano ko ba to gagawin. Hindi mo alam paano ko ba to ipagpapatuloy, or ipagpapatuloy ko pa ba. Magaling pa rin ba talaga ako dito, or tama na. Sobrang hirap when I was starting, especially when I got full-time 2 years ago in doing my content creation, my entrepreneurship journey. Sobrang hirap. But you know what, guys? Sobrang grateful kasi opportunities are coming in right now, and kahit papano nakikita ko yung progress. I always believe progress, maliit man yan or malaki, is actually still a progress. And thank you so much, Lord, for giving me such opportunities right now. And you know, I will always do my best para magawa yan, especially itong mga opportunity na to guys is something that really, really makes me happy, and that's the most important thing talaga. Those are the things that I'm really, really grateful guys. Those are the things na naiisip ko ngayon. As in literal na ngayon na super duper grateful ako guys, and I hope na may natutunan kayo dyan and natuwa kayo sa pag-share ko niyan. Na-share ko lang naman, pagbigyan nyo na ako, birthday ko naman, ba diba? But anyway guys, something I am excited to share about is I have received a birthday gift from one of my momshi friends. So, isa yung shirataki rice and isa yung shirataki noodles. And you know what guys, sobrang challenge ko when I started low carb is yung mga pasta and bread. So, sobrang nakakatuwa kasi meron tayong pwedeng gamitin na shirataki noodles whenever we crave for a noodles or whenever we have special occasion like this. So, eto na nga guys. I wanted to share with you. Lulutuin natin to today since this is actually my special day today. So, let's go. I-share ko sa inyo kung paano lutuin itong dry shirataki noodles natin. Tara!